Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. Today we are going to learn about the important principles of management. These principles are given by Henry Fayol. These principles are also known as administrative principles of management. The important principles of management are first one, division of work, then authority and responsibility, discipline, unit of command, unit of direction, subordination of individual interest to general interest, remuneration of employees, centralization and decentralization, scalar chain, then order, equity, stability of personnel, initiative, and last one, esprit de corps. 14 principles of management are the statements that are based on a fundamental truth. These principles of management serve as a guideline for decision making and management actions. They are drawn up by means of observation and analysis of events that managers encounter in practice. Henry Fayol was able to synthesize these 14 principles of management after years of study. Today we are going to study the balance three principles. They are stability of personnel, initiative, esprit de corps. Stability of personnel means reasonable security of jobs. Employees should be kept at their positions at least for a minimum fixed period. Therefore, no employee should be removed within a short period of time. Stability of personnel is essential to get an employee to new work and succeed in doing it well. This principle also involves that personnel should be selected after due and rigorous procedure. For example, if a person is feeling insecure about his job, he will not be able to put in his best efforts. This will result in either him leaving the job or organization asking him to leave. This will increase the cost of recruitment for the organization besides wastage of time in training the new employees. The positive consequences of this principle are reasonable job security saves an employee from anxiety and he fully concentrates on his work, and this provides satisfaction to the employees. Next principle is initiative. Initiative refers to taking steps ahead of others in doing a work or introducing a new method of doing a work in a better way. This principle says that managers should encourage employees for taking initiative. The organization should have employee suggestion system whereby suggestion which results in substantial cost or time reduction should be rewarded. But once a decision is taken, employees should follow it and must not disobey. The last principle of management is esprit de corps. Esprit de corps is a French term which means union is strength. Esprit de corps principle states that management should promote team spirit among employees. The word I should be replaced with the word we in all communication to employees. This practice helps in developing the feeling of team spirit and belongingness. The positive consequences of this principle are it encourages creativity in an organization, which helps in finding out new ways of doing better, and employees take pride in fact that they are contributing something meaningful, which is quite motivating for them, and leads to development of team spirit and focus on group working instead of individual working. Violation of this principle leads to lack of group harmony and focus on individualism. These 14 principles of management can be used to manage organization and are useful tools for forecasting, planning, process management, organization management, decision making, coordination and control.